Listen and read. Write the numbers in words.
32, 34, 36, 37, 39, 41, 43, 45, 48.
Write the previous number in words.
46, 33, 49, 39.
Write the numbers 1 to 500 in figures. Write them in columns of 10 in your exercise book.
Look and listen.
Well, students, pay attention to the table here. What are these colored lines called? Let's look at the table again. What are these colored lines called?
Count 100 of something in your home, street, or school. Write a sentence about it. In my street, there are 100 rickshaws. In my school, there are 100 children in class 4. Look and say. There are 6 flowers in 6 vases. In the bowl, there are 11 fish. In the sky, there are 16 birds.